Hey, welcome to Smart Study Online. If you've been thinking about taking a course on Coursera but aren't sure if the certificate is actually worth paying for, you're in the right place. You'll find all the sign-up links in the description and the first pinned comment. Check them out to get started. Now, let's get straight to it. Yes, Coursera certificates can be worth it, but it really depends on your goals. If you're just curious and want to learn a new skill, the free audit option might be enough. You can watch all the course videos at no cost. But if you're looking to add real value to your resume, especially in fields like data science, business, or tech, that paid certificate can make a difference. Employers recognize Coursera's partnerships with top universities like Stanford, Yale, and companies like Google and Meta. That name on your certificate? It holds weight. By the way, if you want to try a paid course without risk, Coursera often offers 7-day free trials, perfect for testing the waters. Just click the links below to explore your options. In short, if you're serious about career growth or professional development, paying for the certificate can be a smart investment. And if you're still unsure, why not browse some top-rated courses today? You'll find all the trusted links waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment. Like this video if it helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick insights on online learning.